Good morning, beautiful souls. Before you start another side hustle, before you sign up for another system, before you spend another pound or dollar, let's pause for a moment. Because the real question isn't, which side hustle should I start? The real question is a side hustle right for me, right now, at this stage of my life? If you're over 50, this isn't about chasing trends, it's about choosing alignment. You don't need to rush, you don't need to prove anything, you just need clarity. So let me walk you through 5 honest questions. No pressure, no hype, just truth. Not what sounds good, not what others are doing, but honestly, more time, more peace, more income, more purpose. If your answer is, I want less stress, not more, then any side hustle you choose must respect that. This is important. You're not in your 20s, and that's a strength. Ask yourself, do I want long hours or flexible time? Do I want complexity or simplicity? A side hustle should fit your energy, not drain it. Learning something new after 50 is powerful, but here's the key word: gently. You don't need to master technology, you just need a system that guides you step by step. If you're open to learning without overwhelm, you're already ahead. Many people try to do this alone, and that's where frustration lives. Ask yourself, do I want to guess my way forward or follow a clear, supportive path? There's no weakness in choosing support. It's wisdom. This is the most honest question of all. Not big promises, not overnight success, just small steps taken consistently in the right direction. If that feels right to you, then yes, a side hustle can be right for you. If, as you listened, you found yourself quietly nodding, then the next step isn't rushing forward. It's exploring a calm, beginner-friendly system designed specifically for people over 50. You can take a look here, in your own time. No pressure, just clarity and direction. Remember, you're not starting late. You're starting intentionally. If this video helped you reflect, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs reassurance today. Just keep moving.